Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you at North Cascades Inn in Marblemount, Washington. This is near the North Cascades National Park. Let's take a look inside. This is their lake room. It is very compact, as you can see. There's a small table to enjoy your meal or snack. They are promoting their restaurant and even giving the guests a $10 off coupon. Take a look at the menu. They even give you a menu on the bed. Making our way to the left side. On the nightstand, there is a welcoming letter, a lamp, alarm clock, and remote, complimentary Wi-Fi. There is a coffee maker and microwave. In the fridge, there are complimentary snacks and drink. On the way to the restroom, it's small. You have your towels on top in front of the toilet, toilet paper. You do have a blow dryer, your mirror, hand wash, shampoo. And a bathtub with shower. And that pretty much concludes the tour. Please do not forget to subscribe and like. And until next time, take care.